Good morning, everyone. Today I will explain one of the periodic property, that is ionization potential. Okay, we all know that an atom is composed of a positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electrons revolving around it. The electrons are attracted by the positively charged nucleus. So, if we want to remove electron, some energy has to be supplied to overcome this force of attraction exerted by the nucleus on electron. This energy is known as ionization energy. Is it clear? What is ionization energy? The energy which we have to supply to overcome the force of attraction exerted by the nucleus on electron is known as ionization energy. Okay, now we will discuss certain factors on which ionization energy depends. Number one, atomic size. The greater is the atomic size, the farther is the outermost electrons, and so the easier it is to remove the electron. Hence, as the atomic size increases, the ionization potential of an atom decreases. Clear? What is the relationship between atomic size and ionization energy? Inversely proportional. Next factor we will take nuclear charge. As the nuclear charge increases, the pull of the nucleus on the outermost electron increases, and so it becomes more difficult to remove that electron. Right? Hence, as the nuclear charge increases, the ionization potential of the atom increases. So, both are directly proportional to each other. Nuclear charge increases, then ionization potential also will increase. Then, in short, we will discuss about another factor, that is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, two type of electronic configurations are considered as stable electronic configuration. Number one, half filled subshells. Second one, completely filled subshells. All the noble gases possess very high ionization potential. What is the reason? They have completely filled valence shell. They have a stable electronic configuration, so it is very difficult to remove electron from noble gases. Hence, they possess very high ionization potential. Then elements like beryllium, magnesium, nitrogen and phosphorus also show higher stability and have relatively higher ionization potential. Why? Because either they are having half filled or completely filled shell. Okay, so these are certain exceptional cases in that you should remember: beryllium, magnesium, nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, so these are the three factors on which ionization potential depends: atomic size, nuclear charge and electronic configuration. You can write only two in 10th standard, that is atomic size and nuclear charge. For exceptional cases only you should remember third point. Then how it differ when we move across a period and come down a group, that also we are going to discuss. First we will take across the period. Okay, how it changes when we move across the period. Across the period, first you know how atomic size, two factors on which ionization potential depends. So we will see how these two factors changes across the period. Take example of second period. From lithium till 17 group fluorine. Number of shell will remain same, but due to increase in nuclear charge, atomic size will decrease across the period. Okay, and nuclear charge increase. Why nuclear charge increase? Due to increase in atomic number across the period. Okay, so the value of ionization potential increases across the period. Why? As atomic size decreases and nuclear charge increases. Very simple. Okay, across the period ionization potential increases. What is the reason? Across the period atomic size decreases and nuclear charge increases. Then Downer group. The value of ionization potential decreases with increase in atomic size. Downer group. Downer group, you already know, due to addition of extra shell, atomic size will increase. Hence, ionization potential will decrease. But one more point here. Nuclear charge also increases Downer group. So the ionization potential should increase. However, out of the two factors, atomic size and nuclear charge, which is more dominating? Atomic size. It plays a greater role. Hence, ionization potential decreases Downer group. Okay, rest of the factors like screening effect. Okay, these you will study in 11th class. Only this you try to remember. Across the period, ionization potential increases, Downer group, ionization potential decreases. In whole periodic table, which element will have highest ionization potential? Helium. And lowest ionization potential? Cesium. Why not francium? Because francium is radioactive element, so it is difficult to calculate exact value.